What's up everybody, Black Dragon Rider here, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm having a bad morning. I am actually heading to get my bike MLT, Rex first MLT, and I'm running a bit late. And now that I am just kind of shitting myself a bit, well, I have to literally get there at 10:27, well 10:14, but I doubt it. So I am literally trying to get there as soon as possible. So don't do what I did, doing stuff to your bike for the last minute, because I decided to sort out my indicators at the last minute, but it was my fault. It was my fault because I put a alarm clock on. I set an alarm clock on my phone to set off at 7:38 AM. Problem was that I put on the wrong date. Instead of being Thursday, I set it on Friday. So as a daft person I wasn't paying attention to my phone, and I thought, right, everything's set, I'm off. So yeah, that's what I did, and all suddenly kind of mistaked it a bit. So now I'm like trying to get there. I will freaking filter every seat in front of the car just to get in front, but it wouldn't make a difference anyway. I'd rather be in front than be in front of loads of traffic. Yeah, whatever you do, do not do stuff at the last minute. That was totally my fault. I have learned this lesson now. Never do stuff at the last minute. Don't do it. Whatever you do, you might as well just do it that day so you can get stuff out of the way. But as a stupid fool I was, I just did it at the last minute. I remember my grandparents, oh sugar, I just run over a dead hedgehog. I remember my grandparents told me, oh, I know some of you may not be into Christianity and the Bible and all that stuff, but she actually told me about the story. I think it was 3 sisters or 4 sisters or something like that. They actually did something at the last minute. Basically, it was going to heaven, and they waited at the last minute. So I learned my lesson from that. Never do stuff in the last minute. I think even my mom told me, said never do stuff in the last minute. You might as well just do it. Come on. Oh, I can't believe it. Really cannot believe it. We got a roundabout? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You got to be fucking kidding me. This is so not cool. And if you guys notice that my handguard is sorted out, basically I had to buy myself another LED handguard. happy that I got a brand new LED handguard. Oh, why did I do stuff at the last minute? Why? Why? Oh my gosh. I'm really peed off now. It was my mistake. It was my freaking mistake. Oh my gosh. What's going on? Why are we going so slow? Come on, man. I got a place to be. This is what happened when you do stuff at the last minute. Slow traffic, 40s, what was it, 50 zone? And we're going 40, and I don't know what is slowing down. Alright, you're way too close. What the hell is going on? Is this van actually taking a mic? I think this van is taking the mic. I don't know what these guys are doing. I can't see front, I can't overtake. It's just stupid. There's nothing in front. It's got low. There's not a lot of traffic in front of it. So I need to. It doesn't have a lot of traffic in front of him, so he must be on his phone or paying attention to something, because he's not going the national speed limit. See what I mean? There was nothing in front of this guy at all. That is a freaking big pothole. Oh yeah, so I'm so glad that I got my new handguard screws. My handguard screws. I even got myself brand new handguards. So freaking glad. At least that I don't. I mean, the problem is when you buy products that like handguard screws that slide inside the bars, but you can't find the same screws whatsoever, so that means that you have to buy yourself a new handguard. I wasn't happy about myself a new handguard, but then my mind says, well, even though you got yourself a new handguard, at least that you can do a bit experiment. So one thing I might do is solder off the LEDs and replace them for a better one, because this one is shite. I mean, in the daytime, at night time, you can see it. So it's sort of thing. And I have to try my best to just get there. I don't want to speed in and get myself pulled over, because I just really cannot afford to get pulled over. Oh, you can fucking do whatever you want, mate. If you want to try to interrogate me to go faster, then I freaking love it when people tries to intimidate you to go fast. And you just look at your mirrors and you're just shaking your head like, yeah, go on. Try to bully me to go fast. Yeah, well, whatever. Even though I gotta be somewhere and you gotta be somewhere, I'm pretty sure that no, it won't work, mate. You can try to intimidate me all you want. It's just not gonna happen. I'm not gonna break the speed limit. because you need to go somewhere. If you want to overtake, you know, there's plenty of space. You got the freaking horsepower to do it. So do it the right time me right, and overtake me. I've got pretty much nothing to say on this topic except for don't do stuff at the last minute. Don't be like me. I'm glad that I phoned up and let my mechanic know that, yeah, I'm going to be late. I should have just write down the topic of what I should be talking about, but I'll probably think about what I'm going to be talking about when I get to the cafe, sit down and watch a movie. Look, I brought my tablet with me, so I can sit down, watch a movie and chill. Just chill. So that's what I'm going to do. Sit down, chill, have a cappuccino, get serviced, MLT, and head back home. And I should have saved some money ages ago for my insurance. Should have done that ages ago. In fact, I should have done that a long time ago. I should have planned it ahead, but I just didn't. I had other stuff that I need to get, but I should have thought about getting some few stuff ages ago. Oh well, I mean, I learned my lesson anyway. Well guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Don't forget that there is more videos of my motor vlogs if any one of you are interested in seeing different motor vlog videos. There is a bike show of 2017, so if you guys are interested to see that the video will be popping up on your top right corner of your screen or your phone, whatever, and I will speak to you all soon. My name is Black Dragon Rider, thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come ride with me.